It's Some Racer here. It is fireworks night in Plymouth. On the Saturday, the 5th of November 2016, around about 6:55. Passing Mutley. The fireworks are banging in various directions. We have got to decide our choices, so we are going to get there. It is a bit nippy, 2 degrees according to Google. I decided to go only with the hoodie, no shirt underneath, because I goes too sweaty, it's not ideal. It's not nice sweaty, I get chills, but I've got my arms warm, so I'm fine with that. Work has been fine, and I've got a GTX 1050. Mate, yes, that's what we reviewed soon. Our distance is that way. Let's get going. Well, it is just gone for the past 7. Look at the height, and we have got about 5 minutes to go until the bonfire is lit that way, so we got to walk that way because I am pretty much nearly on time this time. Just look at it, and of course I'm an idiot, so I can't get past things. That little glowing light you see straight in front of you, that is the start of this fire. And it's going to be like this probably next few months if Parliament undoes Brexit. Adverts everywhere. I didn't remember. Here we go!
And it goes on for like half an hour.
8:14, the fireworks are over. That was pretty good. Some good designs, good bangs in those shoes. So we're gonna have a wander back, bonfire, and the fair again before probably getting some food or heading out. This is a Saturday, so I can actually get this edited up quicker than I thought. So all-nighter tonight, maybe. That bonfire is roaring, and it's laggy on phones. My nose is also running. That's a bit too much for someone, I'm afraid. There's your ice. I saw Star. She's alright. Didn't know what glue glass was.
You want to go surf? Come on, buy your tickets, your numbers up. There's any prize on the store right now. Any prize that you like.
Just coming up to 10 to 9. Look at that fire.
Alright, so this is going to be the last one, but like I said, thank you so much for guys staying and listening to us. Come down to the live lounge. They've got 2 for 1 drinks.
Coming up to 9 o'clock. As much as I want to stay out there, I am feeling my throat is starting to get coldy again. So we're going to run to town and have a look and maybe get something to eat. I'm either thinking of McDonald's or Subway or something else. So I got actually a deal for £2 for something. So it might be ideal to go and get that. I was going to do a date with it, but no, it didn't happen. 9:15 and it's like hectically busy there. Like even the other McDonald's up there was busy and that one's queuing. KFC is queuing. Burger King's a little bit of a queue, but I don't fancy Burger King. So I'm going to go to the casino and to wash my hands because these are starting to get numb. Like, ooh crap. Like this one, especially entirely, is like red. Hey, just twist, change that to 5 please. I do, just that, thank you. So I can't even that. Better the fiver, got a fiver back. Now it's going to time to get some lunch properly. Coming up to 9:43, and it is this area again. Scholar bar just by Cuba and Switch, and then of course Cuba and Switch down the side. We have no idea actually. 10:14 and I'm just leaving Goodbay. The Goodbay. How many people have said that stuff to me? It's really good. Class, fresh, sick, nice chinos. We're gonna have McDonald's. I'm thinking that McDonald's might be the best way. Which means a run up that way in these. We made it in just under half hour. So that is pretty well done indeed. And we made it. So now we're going to get a little snack. It's going to last us for about 20 minutes or so. Kind of knacked. Well, of course I'm knacked. And also my nipples getting sore, which hurts. Never a good idea. Oh well, there's some here before the buses, so I've got apparently 20 minutes until the bus comes to Mutley. So here we are for £5 and 9p. We have well, fries and Sprite. Which of course I've got like 10 minutes to eat this. So that's nice. And tonight was alright. I didn't see anyone apart from Shah. And just restaurants, all restaurants are busy. I kid you not. It's funny that some restaurants are closing. Of course, uni students everywhere. I went good these things aside. I had some onion rings. I was like remaining onion ring. Of course, being on Phoebe, you get like all the people talking about how large McDonald's is amazing. I had to try it again. So second time this year, maybe twice this year I've had it. Of course, that Big Mac looks lovely. It's got me into burger sauce. God. What's has been funny, a lot of people are kicking off on Twitter on my food. It's like, mostly like, a sign of depression and poverty. What the fuck? It's just a combination with using what you got. Surprised it's only, like I said before, but I was meant to get normal, but right, I've got to finish this off, and then I'll wait for the bus stop, and then that's it. We are waiting by a bus stop. Bus stop I have not waited at for a few years, since 2011. Because I used to run here from Crepper City Clem to here, and then I tried further on, and further on. It was a lovely McDonald's as well. And they've packed up both shoes of Going Up the Ghost. Ah, boo. Oh well, not to worry. I didn't charge on for long really. But that's about, not really 8 hours though, is it, Banggood? Bit shitty, yeah? Sit on this bus and relax and get this all typed up. I'm supposed to do the video editing overnight. Luckily it's a weekend so I can get this done. Then the GTX 1050 on Monday as well. 12:03. We are finally back in Tavi. As I walk on the middle of the road like a plebe. Which I'm gonna do for lulz until a car hits me. So, we are finally done. I'm a bit bloated from that McDonald's actually, I shouldn't be. Checking Twitter, and then funny enough, a girl I like, who's actually a bikini model, but in America and is already dating someone, we were like each other a little bit, so that was quite fun. Then, that's it, I'm typing up, and it's still freezing as fuck cold. We are going to head off. I've got to get going on this one. I've got a lot of video. I might be delaying it on the uploading, but I'll see how I feel when I get home. And the next videos will be a bit geeky. So if you're not into a GTX 1050 and gameplaying and trying it on a really shitty processor for a lot change, then don't watch it. Yes, we're just going to get going. Anyways, OnRacer out.